Meet the Explorer Evo 190 Offshore, a perfect blend of performance and style. Designed for adventurers, this powerful boat is built to tackle any water with ease. With its cutting-edge hull design, the Evo 190 delivers unmatched stability and a smooth ride, even in challenging conditions. Inside, you'll find a spacious layout perfect for fishing, water sports, and family outings. Equipped with navigation systems and premier finish and Suzuki outboards, the EVO 190 Offshore redefines comfort and convenience. Whether you're exploring the open ocean or cruising along the rivers, the Explorer Evo 190 Offshore is your ticket to unforgettable adventures. Experience it today at Natal Powerboats.